Preparation. Open the spool stand. Turn the thread guide end. Pull the thread guide bar up as far as it will go. Be sure to snap the guide bar into place. Raise the presser foot lifter. The tension discs will open when the presser foot lifter is raised. Firmly insert the spool holder into the spool. Place the spools on the spool pins. Thread the machine from the right to the left in order. Draw the thread through the thread guide from back to front. Pass the thread through the top cover thread guide from the right. Pull the thread along the slit. Do the same for the other threads.